I'm Emily and I'll be showing you how to pot a plant. Potting plants is ideal for anyone with a small space, such as a courtyard or a small patio or even a balcony. To pot a plant, you will need a pot, potting mix, watering can, trowel, gloves and a safety mask for handling potting mix, fertiliser, soil conditioner and a plant. First step is to put a base layer of potting mix into our pot. It's really important to wear a mask and gloves when opening potting mix because of the microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. I think this height is perfect. I've got just enough potting mix so that when I put him in the pot and fill him up, the potting mix is just going to be just below the line of the pot. Now I'm going to take my bungalow palm out of this tiny little pot into a nice big one so it can thrive. If it's loose enough, you'll be able to grab it and pull it straight out of the pot. If not, just squish on the sides here, turn the plant over, hit it on the base of the pot, and the plant should slide straight out. Now I've placed my plant in the center of the pot. I'm going to grab some potting mix, fill it all the way up and press it down firmly so the plant is nice and secure. Now the plant is in the pot, I've filled it up so the potting mix is about this far from the top, so it's time to fertilise. I'm fertilising the plant so that it has enough nutrients to grow big and strong. I'm going to sprinkle the fertiliser in and give it a little bit of a shake so that the potting mix covers over the fertiliser. So I've got soil conditioner, which I'm going to use to make sure my plant settles nicely into its new pot. Now I'm going to add the soil conditioner into my watering can and I'm going to water the fertiliser in. You can use soil conditioner regularly to maintain the health of your plants. Our plant is watered in, fertilised, has some soil conditioner, and I think it will have a lot of years of happy enjoyment in your home. By replanting your plants, you'll not only update your garden, but your plants will thrive.